Every developer breaks Git. You push the wrong commit. You stage the wrong file. You lose work in a panic. In this guide, you will learn how to undo almost any Git mistake quickly and safely. Let's get started. Before we undo anything, meet the 3 layers. The working tree holds your files on disk. The staging index holds the next commit, and head is the tip of your branch history. Every undo moves a change between these 3 layers.
Where did the mistake happen? If the commit was never pushed, rewrite it with git reset or git amend. If it was already pushed, add a new commit with git revert. If you lost a commit, recover it with git reflog. Match the mistake to the command.
Scenario 1. Discard edits you do not want. Run git status to see the change. Then run git restore, followed by the file name. The edit is gone, and the working tree is clean. In VS Code, hover the file and click Discard Changes. Confirm, and the change disappears.
Scenario 2. Unstage a file you staged by accident. After git add, the file sits in the index. Run git restore with the staged flag, followed by the file name. The file moves back under changes, and your edits stay safe.
In VS Code, click the minus icon on the staged file.
Scenario 3. Fix the last commit. Forgot a file or typo in the message. Stage the missing file, then run git commit with the amend flag. The old commit is replaced, and the history stays clean. Important: never amend a commit you have already pushed.
Scenario 4. Reset. Git reset moves head to an older commit. With the soft flag, your changes stay staged. With the mixed flag, they become unstaged. With the hard flag, they are gone for good. So check Git status first and pick your mode carefully.
Scenario 5. Undo a commit that was already pushed. Rewriting it will be rejected because others may have pulled it. Instead, run git revert with the commit hash. Git adds a brand new commit that undoes the old one, and everyone stays in sync.
Scenario 6. Recover a commit you thought was lost. After a hard reset, run git reflog. It lists every move your head has made. Find the old commit, then run git reset with the hard flag in that hash. Your work is back. Reflog keeps about 90 days of history.
Scenario 7. Merge conflicts. When 2 branches edit the same lines, Git shows conflict markers. Pick what to keep, then stage the file and commit. VS Code offers accept current, accept incoming, or accept both. Changed your mind? Run git merge abort to restore everything.
Scenario 8. Stash. Need to switch tasks with a dirty tree? Run git stash to save your work and go clean. Run git stash list to see saved entries. Later, run git stash pop and your changes come back exactly.
3 rules cover every undo. Not pushed yet? Use git reset or amend. Already pushed? Use git revert. Lost something? Use git reflog. That is the whole toolkit. Like, subscribe, and comment. And watch part 1 how to install Git and connect GitHub to VS Code.